Good morning. How are you today? I hope you're really well. Welcome to Bahasa Inggris Subject with me, Miss Lilis. Now, we are going to learn about noun. What is noun? In Indonesian, noun is kata benda. The first explanation is about the type of noun. The first type is proper noun. Proper noun indicates the name of people, animal, things, place in a specific way. Jadi, kata benda menunjukkan nama orang, benda, hewan secara lebih spesifik. Biasanya menggunakan huruf kapital di awal kata. Contoh dari proper noun misalnya nationalities, kewarganegaraan, name of country, nama negara, citizen atau masyarakat. The second is personal name, nama orang, tumbuhan, hewan, kemudian juga berhubungan dengan waktu seperti Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and so on. Next is related to holidays like Idul Fitri, Christmas, Independence Day, and so on. Then, geographical unit like the name of mountain, river, district, seperti berhubungan dengan area, misalnya the name of mountain, river, district, and etc. Next type of noun is countable and uncountable noun. Countable noun is a type of noun which can be counted or measured. Jenis kata benda ini bisa dihitung atau diukur, seperti king, table, bank, book, table, chair, pencil, glass, and etc. Next is uncountable noun. Uncountable noun is the type of noun which cannot be counted or measured. Misalnya itu kata benda yang tidak bisa dihitung atau diukur, seperti water, air, hair, bread, informations, people, silk, and etc. The third type of noun is abstract noun. It indicates idea, concept, feeling, and state or quality. Can be imagined, but cannot be seen or touched. Abstract noun adalah sebuah kata benda yang menunjukkan ide, konsep, perasaan, dan keadaan. Bisa dibayangkan tapi tidak bisa dilihat dan disentuh. Contohnya, beauty, art, system, life, justice, growth, and etc. And then, the fourth type of noun is concrete noun. It is a type of noun which describe the material or real object. Merupakan jenis kata benda yang menggambarkan material atau objek nyata. Misalnya, sugar, bread, fish, egg, building, bull, and etc. Next is collective noun, which stands for a collection of people, animals, or things, yaitu sejenis kata benda yang merupakan kumpulan atau kelompok orang, hewan maupun benda. Misalnya, flock of sheep, a bunch of flowers, a class, a band, an audience, a team, and etc. The next explanation is about the use of noun, penggunaan kata benda dalam sebuah kalimat. Yang pertama, penggunaan kata benda sebagai subject of the verb atau sebagai subjek dalam sebuah kalimat. Contohnya, Italy is my favorite country where I want to spend my holiday next month. Silk has been regarded as one of the most beautiful and finest fabrics in the world. The next example is the beauty Lake Toba attracts many tourists to visit and enjoy its fresh air. Kata yang digarisbawahi seperti Italy, silk, and beauty. Ketiganya ini adalah sebuah noun yang fungsinya sebagai subjek kalimat. Italy adalah proper noun, silk adalah uncountable noun, and the beauty is abstract noun. The next use of noun is as object of the verb, sebagai objek sebuah kalimat. The example of the sentence is, the Titanic fires rockets into the air in order to get the other ship help. The underlined word is rockets as the object of the verb. Rocket adalah kata benda yang fungsinya sebagai objek. The next example is, we see the Earth from the space for the very first time with our own eyes. The subject is we. See as a verb and the Earth as the object. Next, the Indonesian government has several programs aimed to solve social problems. The object here is several programs. Next explanations is noun as subject complement. Apabila dalam sebuah kalimat tidak ada objeknya, maka ada kemungkinan dalam kalimat tersebut terdapat komplement atau pelengkap. Noun can function as the object of be or certain verbs such as seem, appear, grow, and become. Jadi, noun bisa berfungsi sebagai objek dari to be, seperti is, am, are, was, were, atau kata kerja seperti appear, grow, and become. Contoh kalimatnya, she become a teacher. She is subject, become as a verb, and a teacher as the subject complement. Pelengkap untuk menjelaskan subjeknya. Next example, you can see in the slide. The underlined words like very dangerous activity and very good fighters are nouns as subject complement. Next example is, Mrs. Rosa is a helpful neighbor. The noun as the subject complement is a helpful neighbor. Next functions is as object of prepositions atau objek kata depan. There are some examples of prepositions like in, at, on, about, after, before, and etc. These sentences indicate the examples of noun as object of prepositions. For example, some of English writers are always interested in the beauty of foreign lands. The beauty of foreign land menjadi objek of prepositions karena letaknya setelah kata depan. Kata depan in. For the next examples, you can read in the slide, the jungle sebagai objek kata depan in. Kemudian di kalimat yang ketiga, our plan sebagai noun dari objek kata depan about. Baiklah, cukup sekian penjelasan saya hari ini. Feel free to ask me if you have a questions. Thank you very much. See you next meeting. Bye-bye.